The carnivore diet is more than just a diet, it's a lifestyle. Imagine a world where you eat only meat, fish, and other animal products, no fruits, no vegetables, just pure, unadulterated animal goodness. This is the essence of the carnivore diet, a way of eating that has gained significant traction for its potential weight loss benefits and overall health improvements. This essay delves into the depths of the carnivore diet, exploring its principles, benefits, drawbacks, and everything in between. The carnivore diet is elegantly simple. Its core principle is straightforward: consume only animal-sourced foods. This means bidding farewell to plant-based staples like fruits, vegetables, grains, and legumes. Your plate will be adorned with a symphony of meats, such as beef, poultry, pork, and fish, along with eggs and some dairy products. The rationale behind this seemingly restrictive approach lies in the evolutionary history of humankind. For millennia, our ancestors thrived on a diet primarily composed of animal foods. Proponents of the carnivore diet argue that our bodies are optimally designed to process and utilize nutrients from animal sources. The carnivore diet's effectiveness in weight loss is attributed to several key mechanisms. Firstly, the elimination of carbohydrates, particularly refined sugars and processed grains, leads to a significant reduction in insulin levels. Insulin, often referred to as the storage hormone, plays a crucial role in regulating blood sugar. When you consume carbohydrates, your body releases insulin to shuttle glucose or sugar into your cells for energy. However, excess glucose is converted into fat and stored, contributing to weight gain. By eliminating carbohydrates, the carnivore diet keeps insulin levels low, promoting fat burning and weight loss. Moreover, the high protein content of the carnivore diet further contributes to weight loss. Protein is highly satiating, meaning it keeps you feeling fuller for longer, reducing overall calorie intake. Additionally, protein has a higher thermic effect compared to carbohydrates and fats. This means your body expends more energy digesting and metabolizing protein, further boosting your metabolism and aiding in weight management. Contrary to popular belief, the human body is remarkably adept at thriving on an all-meat diet. Our digestive system, for instance, possesses all the necessary enzymes to efficiently break down and absorb nutrients from animal foods. The stomach, with its highly acidic environment, initiates the digestion of proteins, breaking them down into smaller peptides. These peptides then travel to the small intestine, where pancreatic enzymes further dismantle them into individual amino acids, the building blocks of protein. The small intestine is also where the absorption of fats and other essential nutrients takes place. The liver, a powerhouse organ, plays a vital role in metabolizing fats, producing bile, and detoxifying the body. Contrary to the misconception that a high-fat diet burdens the liver, studies have shown that the carnivore diet can actually improve liver function in some individuals. Beyond weight loss, the carnivore diet boasts a range of potential health benefits. Many individuals report experiencing improved digestion, reduced inflammation, increased energy levels, and enhanced mental clarity. The elimination of common dietary triggers such as gluten, dairy, and processed foods can alleviate digestive issues like bloating, gas, and irritable bowel syndrome or IBS. Moreover, the anti-inflammatory properties of certain fatty acids found abundantly in animal fats, such as omega-3s, may contribute to reduced inflammation throughout the body. This can have positive implications for individuals suffering from autoimmune conditions, arthritis, and other inflammatory disorders. While the carnivore diet offers enticing benefits, it's essential to acknowledge potential drawbacks. One concern is the risk of nutrient deficiencies. By eliminating entire food groups, you may miss out on essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber found in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. For instance, vitamin C, a potent antioxidant, is primarily found in fruits and vegetables. While some animal products, such as organ meats, contain small amounts of vitamin C, it's crucial to ensure adequate intake through supplementation or strategic food choices. Another potential drawback is the restrictive nature of the diet. The monotony of consuming only animal products can be challenging for some individuals, leading to social isolation and potential food aversions. It's crucial to approach the carnivore diet with a balanced mindset and listen to your body's cues. Despite the potential drawbacks, countless individuals have experienced remarkable transformations on the carnivore diet. From shedding excess weight to reversing chronic illnesses, the anecdotal evidence is compelling. Take, for example, the story of Jordan Peterson, a renowned clinical psychologist and professor. Struggling with severe autoimmune issues and depression, Peterson turned to the carnivore diet as a last resort. To his astonishment, his symptoms dramatically improved, and he experienced a newfound sense of well-being. Similarly, numerous online communities and forums dedicated to the carnivore diet are brimming with testimonials from individuals who have achieved significant weight loss, improved blood sugar control, and reduced inflammation. While anecdotal evidence should be taken with a grain of salt, it highlights the potential of this dietary approach. If you're intrigued by the carnivore diet, here's a step-by-step guide to get you started. First, consult your doctor. It's crucial to consult with your healthcare provider, especially if you have any health conditions. Second, start gradually. Instead of diving headfirst, consider a gradual transition. Begin by eliminating processed foods, sugars, and refined grains. Gradually increase your intake of animal products. Third, prioritize quality. Opt for high-quality grass-fed and pasture-raised animal products. These sources are richer in nutrients. Fourth, stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to support digestion and overall health. Finally, listen to your body. Pay attention to your body's signals and adjust your diet accordingly. The carnivore diet is a fascinating and potentially transformative dietary approach. Whether you're seeking weight loss, improved health, or simply a different way of eating, the carnivore diet offers a unique perspective. If you found this information insightful or have any thoughts or experiences to share, we encourage you to leave a comment below. Let's engage in a respectful and informative discussion about the carnivore diet and its potential impact on our health and well-being. Your insights and experiences are valuable contributions to the ongoing conversation surrounding this intriguing dietary approach.